Hi, Big Y's dietitians here, Carrie
and Andrea. September is National Family Meals Month, so pledge to eat one more meal together each week.
Family meals don't have to be elaborate. Opt for one-pan recipes like these that cook up in no time.
Skillet stuffed peppers. Cook turkey and add onion and pepper. Stir in garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Add rice, half the chicken broth, and diced tomatoes. Continue to cook while stirring. Add remaining broth and cook until rice softens. Top with cheddar and enjoy.
Pork tenderloin and vegetable sheet pan dinner. Spread potatoes, carrots, and oil on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Combine garlic powder, salt, parsley, thyme, basil, and pepper. Add 2/3 of herb mixture to vegetables and stir to coat well. Place pork tenderloin on pan, drizzle with oil, and coat with herb mixture. Bake and garnish with parsley to serve.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.